What's up, guys? Dissidia Final Fantasy Opera Omnia launches today at 5:30 Pacific Standard Time. Has been the time that the official Facebook page has told us. Give or take some minutes/hours depending on which region and part of the world. This is a global launch here, guys. So this is huge. iOS and Android devices can play free-to-play game. All your favorite Final Fantasy characters, well, not all of them right now, but more will be coming, and they're all available free in-game. No gacha system needed to actually get your characters. There is a crazy promotional promo code thing flying around the internet right now, and this was from the Dissidia NT PS4 game. You can see the first run, so the very first printing, inside had a special limited edition bonus code for Opera Omnia, but it's only for Google Play devices. This is only for the Android devices. It's going to be valid until June 30th. The code is a one-time use code, and you are going to get a ton of great things. So, first up, you're getting a 5-star Buster Sword for Cloud. This is pretty insane. From what I know, you are going to want this 5-star weapon like crazy. 5-star weapons are the top class items in game, and there was even rumors that we weren't even going to get any 5-star weapons at launch of the game. So if that is true, the Android players have a massive advantage here, and 5-star weapons help you unlock new abilities and skills from what we're being told. Also, you are then going to get 4 Power Stones. We have no idea what these are going to do. It says use to limit break a 5-star weapon of your choice. Sounds like it's going to be used to upgrade weapons. That's just what it sounds like there from the wording. Gift number 3, 100 higher power orbs. Used to strengthen weapons. So it looks like you're going to be using these to upgrade and enhance weapons. Definitely, hey, free stuff, right? And then the last but not least, who can go without any gil? We need 200,000 gil for free for this special code. So if you know any friends that have got the PS4 version of Dissidia, beg, plead, borrow for their code, especially if they're not playing Opera Omnia. They have no use whatsoever for this code, and it is only Android only, so that really sucks for all us iOS users out there. I will be trying to use a code on BlueStacks, which is the Android, emulator, to see if that works. So we don't know yet. The game is launching in the next few hours. I will see you guys in game. Get that Buster Sword if you are Android only. I am feeling bad right now. Feels bad, man. iOS users, feels bad. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you join the Facebook group for all the latest information, and keep it locked. Subscribe to the channel here for all the latest guides, tips, tricks, and cheats for this new iOS and Android game. I will talk to you guys later. So all that stuff is linked down below. Thanks for watching, and if for some reason you don't happen to have any friends that have these codes lying around, beg, plead, borrow, but you could probably find them on eBay as well. I will talk to you guys later.